here to subscribe.
I hope it works. Oh, failed again. Huh? Oh. Robot Cloud. Where's the bone? I can use the wrench. Another failed invention. Oh, that's it. Ha! I got you! Where do I keep it? Kiki. Yes. Aha. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Dow. We're going to have a picnic. Do you want to join us?
I can't. I'm so busy.
Huh?
Here, this is for you.
Wow, it's a big cotton candy. Thank you, Mr. Dow. Flying cotton candy? Oh, it's a little cloud. Kiki! Huh? Are you okay? I am fine. Achoo! Did you catch a cold? Have some warm soup. Watch out! No, my soup! Wow, what's that?
It's Little Cloud. Mr. Dow gave it to me.
It's absorbing the steam.
The steam is gone.
Oh.
Aha!
Wow, Kiki, what's this?
It's Little Cloud. He's so cool. Look what he can do for us. Ah! Over there, Cloud!
Wow! Wow, you're so cool, Little Cloud.
So, Master made it this time. I'm gonna take it back. Ha! Ha! It's not working. Huh? Oh no! Help! Help!
It's Mr. Dow. Let's go.
Help me! Help me!
Mr. Dow?
Turn the machine off! Turn it off!
Kiki!
Oh no! What should we do? Aha!
Mr. Dow, are you okay?
Mr. Dow, why did you bring the vacuum cleaner to the woods?
I use it to pick the fruit.
Help! Help! Kiki, help! Help me, Kiki!
Oh, little cloud! Little Cloud saved us, but he's gone.
Look!
Oh,
Look, it's Little Cloud!